Hello again. We are coming to the end of day 6, the beginning of day 7, so we are kind of winding down these 10 days. I wanted to give you guys a few reminders and updates. To those of you who are watching these videos, this is going to seem a little bit redundant, but there are several of you who are not watching these, and I hope by now, I hope you're watching this one. Just one more time, please do not email me your work. They get buried and they get lost, and I will not accept them through email. You have to upload them to the assignment page. Most of you are doing that by now, but some of you are still not doing that, and if you want a grade for your assignments, you're going to have to get them uploaded to the assignment page. I'm pretty sure all of you have submitted your famous person plan page, but if you do not submit a plan page for the famous person, informative, or persuasive, then I will not accept your speech. Make sure that you're reading my comments on the plan page. There's a little icon that comes up that shows me when you go in and read my comments, and only a fraction of you have read what I put on your plan pages, and this is resulting in a very big point deduction. If you don't have a central idea, it's 10 points off. Transitions, 10 points off. So all of those things you're supposed to have in your speeches, I'm going to point that out in your plan page if it's missing. And if you don't read my comments, then it negates it. So make sure that you are reading what I put on there, and email me with any questions you may have. I would love to help you or answer any question that you may have. I will be grading the famous person speech tonight and finishing up tomorrow morning. We will be going into our informative speech, so make sure you get that plan page in on time, uploaded, so I can give you my feedback on that. And again, please go in and read my feedback on those plan pages. I want you guys to do very well and have strong grades on these. For your visual aids, remember, just holding up an object will not work. So I would advise all of you to do a PowerPoint. So that's going to be the best way to ensure that you get full credit. There is a very good informative and persuasive speech example posted, so I'd like everybody to go and watch those. It points out the things that you need to have in your speech, so make sure you go and watch those. I've really enjoyed watching your speeches. I've learned a lot about Kevin Durant because so many of you did your famous person speeches over Kevin Durant. So I've learned a great deal about him. But they've been interesting, and you guys have all done really well. Some of you have really stood out with these speeches, and it's very impressive. So I'm here if you have any questions. So just make sure that you're reading everything, watching everything, and looking at all the comments that I make on your work. So we are winding it down. Just one more reminder about the quizzes. If you miss the quiz, I will not open them back up. There are 4 of them. Well, 5 minus the rhetoric quiz, but 4 left. So there are 4 remaining quizzes that are still open. If you missed the rhetoric quiz, please don't ask me to open it back up. It is over. There are due dates. On the last 4 quizzes, don't start them all right before they are due. Remember, everything is due at noon Central Standard Time. So don't start everything at 11:30 and then email me and say that you ran out of time. You have plenty of time to get those quizzes in and to get them done. All work is due by noon on the last day. So failure to plan on your part does not constitute an emergency on mine. I'm sure you guys have all heard that saying. So make sure you get them in on time. Go take them now. Be done with it. In case something comes up, you don't have to worry about it. So I guess that is all for today. I hope you all have a great evening, and be looking for my comments on your famous person speech. If you don't understand something, email me and look at what I took off for so you don't do it in the next speech. I really look forward to what you guys do with your informative speech, and I'm sure we will see you here in the next day or 2.